Hi guys, welcome to your Monday assembly. So Tuesday of last week was actually the last day of school for Key Stage 4 and Key Stage 5. And Key Stage 3, you are back in today. Most of you are, and it's been lovely seeing you. So we're in very strange times, so I wanted to do an assembly about our very strange times. And you know me, you know it's going to be based on rights. Okay? So, normally, when we have our last day at school, it's something that we celebrate and we get very, very excited about. But this time it feels a little bit different. Some of us are feeling a little bit scared, a little bit anxious, a little bit angry, a little bit empty, and a little bit shocked. Now, as a rights respecting school, it's our duty to ensure that we put the best interest of the child, that's you, at the heart of what we do. So it is important to talk about all this and not pretend it's not happening. So many articles are relevant to this momentous decision by the government. So let's have a look at which articles are relevant. I bet you've got your own ideas, and I would like you to tell me afterwards what your ideas were. You can comment below, or you can send me an email. Okay, so Article 6 is all about life, survival and development, okay? And because of the situation we're in today, it is very, very important to look after your health in the best way you can. Wash those hands. So Article 3, whatever we do has got to be in the best interests of the child. That's you, okay? And we're certainly doing that here at Oscott Manor. Article 24, we need to ensure the health and safety of young people. And you know all about Article 28, your right to an education. So, to reassure you all, we are all working hard in school. Whether you're in school or out of school, the teachers are all working hard to continue with your education. So don't forget the website to access your exciting and interesting home learning, okay? You can email us and we will answer between 9 and 3, and you can ask us any questions that you want to. But that's what we're going to do. What can you do? Now, I want you to be kind to everybody. Be kind to everybody around you. And remember our rules: ready, respectful, safe. And you can carry those on at home as well. Stay calm and stay positive. This will pass. Make people laugh. Laughter is not cancelled, okay? Be helpful wherever you can. Help your parents or your carers. Find out what is needed in your community and help in whatever way you can. There's a lot of old folks' homes that have banned visitors. Now, you imagine feeling so lonely and not knowing anyone. How about finding your local old folks' home and writing some letters to the people and drawing them some pictures? They would love that. Exercise every day. Make sure you get outside, but not in big groups. Support your friends and your family. Be there for each other. Use your phone. Text people. Just because you can't be face to face doesn't mean you can't be in contact. Do the work that we set you on the website. Read some books, read some fabulous books and get some reviews written. You could do verbal reviews and video them for us. That'd be fantastic. And watch some really good things online and share with us what you found. Why don't you write a diary? Write a diary about this interesting and exciting and challenging time and learn something new every day. And I would love to see some funny videos. Make some funny videos to make us and your friends laugh. And do you know what else? Be patient. You know we're going to get through this, and we'll get through this together. We are all on the same team. So be strong, because things will get better. It may be stormy now, but it never reigns forever. Take care of yourself and take care of each other, and I'll see you soon. Bye.